Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cone styrofoam is probably one of the most versatile and readily available crafting materials you can find, perfect for a wide range of projects from simple DIY decorations to intricate model making. In this video, we will explore its unique properties, various applications, and provide you with some essential tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this amazing material. Number 5. Juvale Foam Craft Cones. These large foam cones are perfect for all your crafting needs. They're versatile and ready for your unique touch. Made from high-quality polystyrene, they have a smooth surface, ideal for painting, gluing, and decorating. They're durable and easy to customize. From Christmas trees and gnomes to wedding centerpieces and party decorations, it's only limited by your imagination. Let your creativity flow. Use them for holidays, birthdays, or any special event. They're the perfect base for unique and memorable creations. Each cone measures 13.5 inches tall and can be easily sanded and cut to your desired size and shape. Get creative. This pack includes 4 large craft foam cones, ensuring you always have one ready for your next project. Start crafting today. What we like. It boasts a sizable structure, perfect for ambitious projects. Its robust material ensures it can withstand various embellishments. If you're tackling large-scale decorations or need a sturdy base, this is the one for you. What people say. Use them for donut pyramid. Good sturdiness and good quality. I use these for 2 different types of hors d'oeuvres. One for a fruit Christmas tree which looks pretty cool on the party snack table, and the other had meat and cheeses on it. I stabbed them in with toothpicks to hold the little morsels after covering them with foil. These were the perfect size for the charcuterie tree that I made for a holiday party. Number 4. Juvale Foam Craft Cones. These versatile foam cones are perfect for all your crafting needs. Let your imagination run wild and create unique decorations and art pieces. Made from high-quality polystyrene, they have a smooth surface, ideal for painting, gluing, and adding various embellishments. From Christmas trees and gnomes to wedding centerpieces and party decorations, they can be used for any occasion. Easily cut, sand, and shape them to fit your specific project requirements. The possibilities are truly endless. These cones are great for school projects, DIY art, or adding a unique touch to your custom flower arrangements. This pack includes 12 cones, ensuring you always have enough on hand for your next crafting adventure. They measure 7.3 inches tall. What we like. This pack offers exceptional value with numerous cones. It's budget-friendly and provides ample materials for multiple projects. If you need a cost-effective solution with plenty of cones on hand, this is your best bet. What people say. These are the perfect cones to make gnomes with. They arm smooth, so your fabric does not stick to them like regular styrofoam. This size is not available in retail stores. I couldn't find them. These work perfection for my craft projects. They held up pretty well while the clay was being molded around them. Number 3. Bright Creations Craft Cones. These cones are perfect for crafting handmade gnomes and dazzling holiday decorations. Get creative and customize them with paint, rope, or ribbon. Use them to create bridesmaid bouquets, eye-catching centerpieces, or charming party decorations for any event. They're ideal for weddings, baby showers, or birthdays. Made from high-quality polystyrene, these sturdy cones provide a reliable base for your creative projects. Their smooth surface makes them easy to customize. Each cone measures 3.8 by 9.5 inches, providing the perfect size for a variety of crafting uses. They're just the right size for many projects. This set includes 6 foam cones, giving you plenty for multiple crafting endeavors. You'll have enough for all your DIY fun. Trust Bright Creations for superior quality craft cones. They're versatile and durable, perfect for your home projects. What we like. These cones are just the right size for a variety of crafts. They're made from a sturdy material that holds up well. If you're looking for a medium-sized, reliable cone for your projects, this is a great choice. What people say. These were exactly as described and worked perfect for the craft projects I needed them for. They arrived in excellent condition due to proper packaging. I am satisfied with the quality of these cones and plan on using them to make gnomes. There are times when these need to be painted, and because they have a smooth surface you only need 1 coat of paint instead of 2 to 3 for porous ones. Number 2. Holibanna foam cone. These foam cones are perfect for any craft project. They're lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for all skill levels. Celebrate the winter holidays with these versatile cones. Paint them, glue decorations, or use them as they are for a unique look. Let your imagination run wild. Turn them into trees, cake stands, or even flower arrangements. The possibilities are endless. These cones are perfect for family crafting time or individual projects. They're easy to work with and fun for all ages. Add a touch of festive cheer to your holiday party. They're great for creating unique centerpieces and decorations. Made from durable polystyrene foam, it's easy to decorate and will last for many crafting projects. What we like. Its distinctive dimensions make it ideal for unique projects. It's also lightweight and easy to handle. If you are looking for something different and easy to work with, this is the one for you. What people say. It's heavy with all of the jewelry on it, but it's holding up. Things adhered really well using glue gun. It worked perfectly for a 72 cream puff tower. Form factor is close to requirements. Reshaping to create a conical wire winding form. The density is perfect for reshaping by hand. A radius edge and dim. Correct tooling bar embossed grooves for wire location retention worked well. Number 1. Foam Cone Craft Kit. It's time to get crafty. This foam cone kit is perfect for all your DIY projects, from school projects to holiday decorations. Let's explore the possibilities. These foam cones are incredibly versatile. They're ideal for model making, ornaments, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Personalize them with paint and unleash your imagination. It's a fun and easy way to create unique designs. They're great for kids' crafts and educational activities. It helps develop their creativity and fine motor skills. This kit includes 3 different sizes of foam cones, giving you even more options for your creations. Get ready to craft. From holiday decorations to classroom projects, these foam cones are sure to bring hours of fun and creative expression. Get yours today. What we like. This set includes a range of sizes, suitable for various projects and skill levels. It's also great for educational purposes and creative fun. If you need variety and want to engage in creative learning, this is perfect for you. What people say. They are great for making cone-shaped crafts. I use these to make cone trees. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.